Guys, the plane just started moving. Perfect lineup right there. Whoa. Wow.
Passenger Silverman, please recheck.
Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. That was nice. I can't see the pilots. I can see one. I think. I can't get a wave. Oh, I see the pilot. He just got out. Oh, wow. Look at that right there. Oh, wow. American CRJ 175 right there. It looks like it. Maybe an A320. Wow. Let's even get a wave. Oh, the pilot's just over there. You guys can see him. He's right there. Yeah, I'm not going to get a wave. Or maybe can we? Hold up. Nah. But that was pretty cool. Guy is perfectly lined up. It's very nice.